Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. Okay, so today's pick a card reading topic is positive changes coming your way. So that is going to be the topic for today. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. So I have 3 butterflies for you, so select one that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with your heart space, and then let go of all the worry, let go of all the tension. Don't think anything, and then just select a butterfly that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for group number 1 we have this orange butterfly. It has a black, orange and black. Then we have the group number 2, it's yellow. And for group number 3 we have the green butterfly. So close your eyes, relax, and take your time. If you need more time, pause the video. The timestamps will be given in the description box. I'm going to start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you have chosen this orange color butterfly, let's see what is your message, what positive changes are coming your way. Okay, so I'm feeling communication for some of you. Some good communication is coming your way. Maybe you have been waiting for a call or a letter, so I feel like that communication will make you very happy. Or maybe you haven't talked to a person for so long, maybe that person might communicate with you, or maybe you will make a call and that will make you very happy. Or maybe it's like you are meeting a friend after a long time. While you're shopping, you just meet this person unexpectedly, and it makes you very happy. So that's something I'm getting here. So maybe for some of you, renewal of friendship or relationship is what I'm getting. Maybe you had a friend who you didn't talk, maybe there was a misunderstanding, and because of it you parted ways. But I feel like there is togetherness coming for group number 1. That's a positive change. Or maybe in your mind and heart space there was like separation. The togetherness is coming, like maybe your heart used to say something else, your mind used to say something else, like there was a fight between your heart and mind. Now I feel like you're balancing it. A lot of balance is what I see for group number 1, definitely. Okay, so if it's possible, you can go to a water body and enjoy that space, because it will give you a lot of clarity when you're near water. I feel like that. Or mountains also for some of you, like while doing hiking or going on a trip or like traveling, all will give you a lot of good energy. That's something I'm getting. Yeah, for some of you I'm getting that also. Maybe you're planning to travel with your friend. If you're planning, go for it, because it will give you a lot of happiness, I'm getting. So a lot of balance within yourself. That is the thing. If you have been dealing with anxiety or something like that, stress, or maybe if you had like insomnia, I feel like there is relaxation coming for you guys. That's something I'm really feeling for you guys. Okay, so for many of you, I'm getting a specific message for some of you, like maybe you're trying to start imagining things, like maybe you're reading books about imagining how to make your dreams come true. Maybe for some of you I feel like that maybe you're doing that. Keep on working on your imagination, because imagination is a powerful tool to create our dreams. So definitely do that. Like before going to sleep, imagine the life you want. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. So start slowly. Don't try. You know what happens with most people is we try to do everything in one day, then the routine doesn't build up, right? So even if you like when we start an exercise program, first day we will be having full of energy, like when we start with new year resolution, like January 1st we'll write these all things we want, and we will be doing for like 5 to 10 days, and then we lose, like this is not working, I shouldn't do it, then the laziness creeps in. So it's important you at least show up yourself for 5 minutes, okay? That's something I'm getting. Like, just show up. If you don't want to exercise that, at least do it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, just show up. It is very good. That will give you the motivation to move forward. So just show up for 5 minutes. Like, if you want to read book every day, you have been planning to do it, so maybe you read for 10 days and then 11th day of, no, I don't want to read it, at least read like one paragraph or one page. You don't have to read like 5 pages one day. No, don't do that. Just read a paragraph. Or if you have issues with starting new habits, good habits, if you have been, I feel like for many of you have been planning to do let go of the bad habits, or start new habits, then it's the time to do that. I feel like this, if you do start doing it, you will be able to make up routine. Like, do it. If you do it for 21 days, it's become a routine, right? It becomes a habit. So just do it for 5 minutes, even if you don't feel like it, okay? That's something I'm getting. For some of you, I feel like you are thinking about decluttering the social media and also. It's time to do it, because I feel like when we declutter the old, when we declutter the things that we don't need, that is when the new comes in. So if you are willing, if you want to buy that new sofa, it's time to get rid of the old one, then only the new one will come. So like that only, if you want to get rid of the old habit, you need to let go of the old habits and then start the new one, right? So I feel like that's something I'm getting. So maybe for some of you have been planning about, like, you want to make New Year resolution. I'm getting like the time is now. Make that change now. Don't wait for the new year and all. Just start now. Why can't we do that? So yeah, why we are waiting for January 1st? We can do it now, okay? That's something I'm getting. Okay, so let's start. I have been like I just received those messages, so I had to say that. So let's see what positive changes are coming for my group number 1. I'm seeing a heart. For some of you, definitely I see love. For some of you, maybe if you're single, if you're trying to get, if you want to have a relationship, I see that this is definitely happening for some of you. So let's see. Lost in space, needing direction. I was talking about the good habits, bad habits. Sometimes that's the thing with this lost in space. You don't know when to start, where to start, how to start. You want to get rid of your bad habits, but you are like, when should I do this? How do I do this? You have a lot of things going in your mind at the same time, and you don't know what to do. Like, everything is cluttered. Like, yeah, for example, if we don't organize our wardrobe, what happens is when we want to wear a dress, we cannot find it because everything is cluttered there, right? And what we do is, like, we have to get rid of everything. The dress you want might be at the last, so you have to take all the clothes, right? So you can get the last thing. So it's very difficult, right? When we are emotions, when our thoughts are also like this, we cannot think straight. So right now I feel like you are like this. So what you have to do is take one day at a time, or just think about the next hour what you need to do. You don't have to plan for you don't have to plan for whole year. So make that small changes. And I'm definitely seeing you're not going to be lost anymore. That's the positive change. As I told you, your mind and body is like aligning. There is like a balance coming, okay? You're feeling balanced. You're feeling yeah, I can do this, you're not feeling lost anymore. So this thing that you can start now is, like, just plan for the next hour. What you want to do next hour. You don't have to plan like, oh, this week this week's full breakfast. You don't have to plan. You can just plan accordingly. I don't have to plan for the whole future. You don't have to plan for 5 years. No, you don't have to do that. Right now what you need to do is, like, just plan for the next minute, or just plan for the next hour, or just plan for the next 24 hours, right? When you start doing it, you will not feel so lost. That's something I'm hearing for you guys, okay? Like, for some of you, it's like you are in first year of your studies, and now you're planning how I'll do my second year, third year exams. So this is so tough, right? So instead of focusing on that, just focus on the next, what you're going to study next. just focus on that. Even if you're studying one paragraph, just focus on that. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. And we have number 36 might be relevant for some of you, and 6, it's about 9. Yes, it's like learning. So maybe for some of you, you are preparing for an examination or something like that. So maybe for sometimes you feel lost about it. So take your time out, do that learning. Okay, everything will be okay, don't worry. Just I feel for you guys, it's like when you don't plan too much, that is when you will be feeling good. Like when you plan too much, when you think too much about your future, that is when you lose direction. So it's important that you just focus on the next minute or the next hour right now. Okay, that's what you need to do. Okay, and when you do that, that's when you will be able to let go of the bad habits and let in the good habits, right? For some of you, yes, that's something I'm seeing, like you are going to let go of a lot of your bad habits. Maybe for some of you, you have this bad habit of scrolling social media. You know, while you're studying, don't keep your phone near if you have problem regarding that. Like when you start studying, some notification you will hear, and then you will just start watching video, and then 1 hour will pass by and you just wasted your time, right? So it's important, you know, you can just keep your phone at a different place, or just otherwise do it silent or something like that. So make that change. Okay, and when you make that positive changes, you will definitely see that in your life. You know, the problem with people, I feel like the problem with many of us is like that we start doing things, but we cannot be disciplined enough to follow that for a long period of time. It is with our thoughts also. Like we can be positive for like 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but if something bad happens, then we are again in this negativity, right? So it's with the thoughts also, we need to be disciplined. So that's something I'm feeling for you guys. So let's see. And I feel for some of you, there is a person returning who might show you that direction. Okay, yeah, there is someone who is a GPS, like yeah, I'm getting like you might like there is someone who will guide you. So listen to them. Some of you are very stubborn also. Sometimes you don't listen to other people. You feel like that, you know, sometimes we are not right always. That is also I'm getting. So don't be stubborn, okay? Because this person wants your best. Maybe your parents say something, you don't like it. Maybe they know better than you. For some of you, it's like I'm feeling like that. Sometimes we don't take it, right? Yeah. Generosity. Yes, definitely there are good people around you here. Maybe you're not seeing it right now. Maybe you feel like, oh my God, there are no one good around me. But there are people who care for you guys. So generosity, that's something I'm changing. You know, when you change your attitude, things will change, definitely. Maybe sometimes you feel like, oh, no one loves me, no one takes care of me, no one likes me. If you start thinking that, that is what you will see. So when you stop that and think, yeah, I love myself, I'm taking care of myself, people love me, I'm good. You know, when you change your attitude, that is when things will change. So that's what I'm getting for many of you here. The attitude, you know, you're changing your own attitude. You're trying to incorporate more good habits into your life, and because of it, you're going to see a lot of generous people, a lot of happy faces. You know, I feel like you will see a lot of happy faces around you. So that's something I'm getting for you guys. So maybe for some of you, you might receive help from someone. You know, when you're feeling very lost, you might receive help from someone unexpectedly, and it will make you very happy. So maybe like you know, you are struggling with something, and you just say something to your friend, and your friend offers you an advice, and it will just change the way you think. So that's something I'm getting here. So yeah, for some of you, money wise also, maybe someone will give you a gift, you know, generous people around you. And for you guys also, it's okay to smile more. I'm getting like you don't smile often. It's okay to smile. Your smile is beautiful. So it's like just smile more, laugh more, enjoy more. Maybe for some of you, too into this adulting thing, like everyday routines, you're so bored of it. So maybe don't think too much about what you should do, how you should do, or don't compare yourself to other people. When we start comparing, that is when I feel like we lose things, right? Don't compare yourself. So I feel like there is a lot of happiness like a lot of generous people, a lot of smiley faces near you. That's something I feel like changing, and I feel like you will also smile more, or maybe this is a message for you guys to smile more. Life, yeah, smile more. I don't know why. For some of you, your smile is beautiful. Smile more. You will be able to pass through all the difficulties, all the adversities, all the challenges with that smile. You will be able to. So yeah, that's something I'm getting here. Let's see what else. What positive changes are coming for group number 1? Some of you love food, okay, but you're trying to control that food intake. So for some of you are starving yourself. Don't starve. Eat healthy, okay? That's something I'm getting. Or maybe because you don't get that, yeah. I'm getting for some of you get angry because you're not able to eat the food. Even though you don't like to diet, you diet. I feel like maybe you need to consult someone who can give you a better diet or something like that. Don't make decisions by yourself. Don't do a diet that is not good for you. Okay, don't get into a diet that is not good for you. Yeah, that's something I'm getting here. Oh wow, we have recognition and reward. Yes, definitely there is recognition coming your way. The work you have been doing is going to pay off. People are going to recognize your work. That is the transformation, positive transformation. So sometimes we feel lost. Maybe you're in a career where you're not being appreciated and we feel lost. Why? What I'm doing wrong? Why people are not appreciating me? You will get that recognition. You will get the reward. Your ideas will be taken into consideration. I feel like that. And for some of you, if you're feeling lost because of your exams, don't feel lost. Work like sometimes instead of, I'm getting for some of you, you just it's like I'm getting a message, just wake up early. Like maybe you don't like to wake up early, you just at night you read or something, like maybe it's like for some of you it's like wake up early. The early time will be very good for you guys. So yeah, maybe make that good habit. That's something I'm getting. But definitely there is recognition and reward, getting the medal, right? Getting the award, right? For some of you, maybe you want that. So that's something happening to you guys, okay? And again, we have number 3 here. Interestingly, we have number 36, we have a 3, 23, we have a 3, and then it's 23 only, no? Yeah, it's 23. I was just like, and then we have a 3 again. So 333. So maybe you're seeing number 3. 3 might be relevant to you guys. Maybe it's important number for you guys. 3 number. But definitely 3s are all about growth, expansion. So definitely there is growth, there is expansion coming your way. And when we grow, sometimes the growth is going to be very uncomfortable. It's not going to be happy growth. Sometimes we have to learn the lessons, and but definitely you're growing as a person. You're maturing as a person, okay? Yeah. And I feel like for some of you need to forgive someone for their past behavior, because they have also grown as a person. Okay, so yeah, someone has changed around you. So don't judge them based on their past behavior. Maybe just give them a chance. Yeah, give them a chance, or give yourself a chance. Maybe you need to ask forgiveness from someone. Just ask that forgiveness, okay? Yeah, that's also I'm getting here. So let's see, let's move on to the next deck. For group number 1, what positive changes are coming your way? Look, we have a gift. Of course, we have generosity and we have a gift. So definitely there is some gift coming your way, and this can be a gift of I feel like divine is giving you a gift like in form of a friend, in form of a relationship, or I even feel like that in form of a mentor who will guide you when you're lost. That's something I'm getting. Or maybe for some of you, this is a gift like you are going to gift yourself something. I'm getting like that also. You will gift yourself that peace of mind, and because of it things will change. You know, when our attitude changes, things change, right? That can also be the thing. Maybe you're seeing 717 number. Maybe it's important number for you guys, 717. And I'm getting like, maybe for some of you a romantic offer is coming your way. Someone is going to offer you something, so take that offer. Maybe in career also there is some sort of gift, rewards. Definitely we have again recognition and reward. There is some sort of bonus coming your way. Maybe your work will be appreciated, you will get that reward. Okay, let's like getting a trophy or a medal. So that's something I'm seeing for you guys. Or maybe if you have a partner, maybe this partner will give you a gift, or it can be a gift that is like someone is appreciating you, someone is saying, yeah, look, you have done a good job. So that's the thing also I'm feeling like, and this thing will make you very happy. So definitely what I see for you guys, the positive transformation is inside of you. You are changing, your attitude towards life is changing. Yeah, that's something I'm feeling for you guys. For some of you, you expect some money also from someone. Like, yeah, maybe someone will be very generous to give you some money. Okay, so that's also I'm getting here. So let's see. What is the positive changes coming your way? What positive changes are coming for my... yeah, look, we have growth. Yes, growth. You're growing as a person, you're maturing as a person. The person you were in the past, you're not going to be the same person again. You're not going to repeat your past mistakes. And that's the thing. Like, you know, sometimes we feel like, oh my God, why things are not happening for me? Why I'm not seeing the progress? Why I'm not seeing the success? I have been doing all the hard work. It's because your roots are strengthening, right? Your roots are strengthening. That's why it's taking time. Don't worry, because when the roots are strong, the tree will be very strong. So you're a very strong person. So understand that. So, and when the roots are strong, then like the storm can also not make the tree fall. That's what I'm getting. Like big storm, you know, when our roots are strong, big storms cannot destroy us. So that's why I feel like you're becoming very strong as a person, very courageous as a person. So there is definitely a lot of transformation that is happening inside of you. You're becoming more positive. You're taking small steps towards positivity, and you're understanding life is you know, you're understanding you're understanding life from you're seeing life from a different perspective. You know, your wisdom is getting deeper. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. Like, definitely changes are going to happen for you guys, just it's a matter of time. Yeah. So yeah, there is peace of mind coming. Yeah, for some of you, you are you need to meditate, guys. Like, indulge in that like that good habit, like meditating every day. Waking up, meditating for at least 20 to 30 minutes will be very, very good for you guys. Okay, maybe you need to start doing that. Okay, sometimes I feel it's very easy to start a bad habit than to good habit, you know. In my case also, sometimes it's very easy to start a bad habit. But it's very difficult to have a good habit, you know. It takes yeah, so yeah, there is, like, I feel like you're changing your habits. That's something, you're changing your habits. Maybe for some of you, Atomic Habits book might be good, or maybe you're already reading that book or something like that. Just go follow that book, will be good for you guys, I feel like. I'm again hearing, like, don't wait for the new year, start now. Start now, start today. Now, it's now is the time. And with this time also, now is the time, getting like that. If you need to smile, smile now, smile today. You know, while you're seeing this reading, have a big smile. Smile, guys, smile. Like, I'm hearing that. So your spirit is like telling you, smile, smile more. You know, your life is not that bad as you assume. Smile, change your attitude. That's what I'm getting. So let's see what else. The last message for you guys. Oh yeah, we have charms and letters also. So let's see. Okay, jealousy. Oh, Watch who you trust with your personal secrets and plans. Spend time outdoors with nature to reconnect and replenish. So maybe, you know, with this generosity, that's what is changing. Maybe there were people around you who were very jealous about you, but finally you are meeting good people, good generous people. I'm getting that. Okay, so yeah, definitely there is a shift. For some of you might be shifting career also. That is also I'm getting here. You are moving away from these jealous peoples. As this the message, spend time outdoors with nature to reconnect and replenish. So yeah, outdoors, connecting with nature, Mother Earth, Gaia will be very, very beneficial for you guys. It will, you know, as I told you about meditation also, so if it's possible, go out. Did I say about water body, going out near a beach and meditating will be very good? If it's possible, do it. It will be very good for you guys. Whenever you're feeling lost now, go out and connect with Mother Earth. It will be, yeah, twists and turns. There are going to be a lot of twists and turns coming your way, like a lot of positive. Sometimes because we are talking about positive changes, so definitely things are going to shift for you guys. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm getting here. It's like a lot of people are getting out of your life. It will be a twist or turns only, like, yeah. Of course, travel is also there. So definitely there is travel for you guys. If you have, you know, as I told, unexpected travel might also happen for some of you. Maybe your friend will offer you, let's go for this. Just accept that, okay? So that's something I'm getting here. So let's see what the charms have to add to this, and then we will end your reading. So let's see the charms for group number 1. What positive changes are coming your way? Group number 1, what positive changes are coming? Yeah, number 1, new beginnings. Definitely, yeah, I told you, generous people. So money wise also, oh, we have the money bag and we have the coin. No, it's a shell. Why I felt like a money bag? So yeah, there is this money coming to you guys. Definitely there is shift in your money. There is progress. I see that for you guys, and there is a new beginning. We have the snake also. It's like letting go of the old. So definitely, yeah, it's like you are. I told you, the transformation is happening within you. Your attitude towards life, you're changing your habits, right? So you're like releasing that bad habits and practicing more good habits. So that's something I'm getting. It's like yeah, there is a lot of releasing. Yeah, cutting out people who are not good for you, like decluttering a lot of things that are not good for you. That's something I'm getting here. Again, money wise, generous people. We had this generosity, right? And we have a gift also. So maybe for some of you this can be a gift. You know, maybe you're getting an increment. So something like that also I'm getting here. Yeah. So for some of you, you need to get out of your shell. That's something I'm getting here. Like if you get an offer, good offer, take that offer. Don't worry too much. Okay. Get out of your shell. I felt like a money bag for some of you. I don't know why, but when I saw that, anyways. So yeah, you're hot and spicy. Maybe for some of you, you're becoming more hot, like yeah, glow up. I'm getting that also. Or maybe for some of you, it's a message not to eat too spicy things. I don't know. I'm getting that also. Maybe for you, some of you need to eat less spicy. Maybe you're eating a lot of spicy and it's upsetting your stomach or something like that. Yeah, you're doing a lot of releasing. Definitely a lot of releasing. A lot of crying also is going to happen. I feel like releasing old patterns. Sometimes you will feel like crying, so cry it out. Okay, yeah, you're going to take your power back. That's something. The wheel is in your hands now. The wheel is turning in your favor. Okay, so that's something. Because you are changing your attitude towards life, you're changing the bad habits that you have. So yeah, you're repairing things, you're changing it, you're cutting a lot of things. Maybe for some of you, you have certain food habits that are not serving you. Maybe you're cutting that. Certain like maybe you're going to partying a lot, or maybe you're not. So you're spending time with people who are not good for you. Maybe you're cutting on that. Or maybe for some of you, you're spending a lot of money on things that are not needed. Maybe you'll be doing that change also. So yeah, that's something I feel like. It can be as an advice also for some of you. Okay, yeah, we have fairies. Again, we have fairies. Don't be attached too much yeah, there is a lot of attachment that you need to release right now. You're attached to something, and that's not good. Maybe it can be like some alcohol, smoking, some sort of bad habits, like maybe you're attached to eating a lot of sweet food, or maybe attached to eat of like sort of spicy food. That's something I'm getting. Okay, I don't know, for some of you watch a lot of mukbangs, like the eating show, something like that. I don't know why I'm getting that. Yeah. Oh, that came out of nowhere. I don't know why, what was that. Anyways, we have fairies, so you know, be more playful. That's something I'm getting here. Enjoy life, smile more, as I told you, laugh more. Yeah, then we have going out, having fun. For some of you, it's like you're sitting at home. It's like, for me, I'm getting with this grapes, like going out and having fun is like going out in nature, having fun. You know, for some of you, it's like you need to spend some quality time in nature, meditating. That's something I'm getting. Okay, or with friends who can make you smile. Like, for some of you, I don't know, I feel like there is a good friend around you, but you are not giving them that much importance. Maybe it's time to give them a little bit importance. Yeah, there is someone around you who wants you to be happy, but you're not giving them that importance. Maybe it's time to give them importance or something like that. Sometimes we feel like that we don't have anyone because of our attitude. Sometimes we feel like that I don't have anyone. Sometimes we don't see that the things that we have in our life, right? So it's time to see that. MV. Okay, what is that? Maybe MVS. Okay. Then we have a J. It can be your initials or maybe a word. No, it's I. Sorry, it's I. Okay. Then Z. And we have T. So let's just take some more letters for you guys. Wait a second, guys. I just heard something here, guys. If you're watching someone's video, like maybe you for some of you, I don't know, maybe you comment a lot of negative things. Don't do that. Like, you know, sometimes our words impact other people. I don't know why I'm getting that message. Sometimes our words impact other people in a very harsh way. Maybe while we are typing or we are commenting, we don't think too much and we just type it, but the other person who is reading that comment might get impacted. So so be kind to others. Like, I don't know who needs to listen to that. If you need to make that change, please change that. Like, when we write the comment, we don't think anything. We just write it. Oh, this is not nice. You look like a fool, or you look so bad. You know, sometimes we do that, right? Maybe you're doing it. So be kind. Be more kind. Maybe that's something you need to incorporate in your life or cultivate in your life. Like, don't randomly comment on people's how they look bad. Okay, it's just for if you are resonating. It's not for everyone, definitely. I had to give that message because it came through. So NGUIRT and L, and we have K. I'm getting here sometimes it's easy to look like what people are doing wrong rather what they are doing right. Sometimes it's very easy to look, oh, they are looking like this, they are doing like that. Sometimes we judge people based on their looks. Sometimes we judge people without knowing their whole story. So it's important you don't judge people. Maybe it's time to balance that. Like, you judge people a lot by looking at them, oh, they are bad. You know, if someone is like because based on their styles you might think that this is a bad person, this is a good person. Don't do that. Okay, don't judge a book by its cover. That's something I'm getting, because when we do that, other people do that same to us, right? Because we are giving that energy out. Then we think why people are judging us, because you are judging them, right? Yeah, that's something I'm really getting it. Yeah. So This is the letters. Am I getting any word? Girl talk I'm getting. Maybe you have, like, yeah, we have a girl here. Girl talk. I heard girl talks. Maybe you have, or maybe some of you are doing a lot of gossip. Or if there are people who do a lot of gossip, maybe it's time to move away from them. But there is a lot of girl talks happening. Maybe your yeah, girl talk, like, I don't know, but that's something I'm getting here. Okay, that's it. Maybe UK also. Maybe you're waiting for visas. It will come. Something like UK. Okay. Bye bye. Take care, guys. If you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe. Okay, bye bye. Take care, guys. Number 2, if you have chosen this yellow color butterfly, let's see what is your message. What positive changes are coming your way. I am hearing constructive criticism. For some of you, it's okay to take that constructive criticism, and it's okay, and give only constructive criticism to other people. Don't just criticize because you feel like it. Okay. And yeah, I got this message for group number 1 also, and I'm getting from you guys also. Like, when you're commenting, be kind. If you can give that constructive criticism, it's okay, but just don't you know, sometimes we want to make people other people feel bad of themselves, so we comment something. So don't do that. Okay, be kind. That's something I'm getting here. I don't know. That's the message for some of you. It's a general reading, so take what resonates, guys. But if you know it, that if you're doing that, change that. Okay. So drum, maybe for some of you, you know, drumming will help you when you're feeling stressed. Drumming. For some of you, it's time to take a little bit of relaxation. Okay, that's something I'm getting, like relaxation period is coming your way. So let's see what is the positive. Okay, we have the 1 card. Yeah, deep quiet, you know, relaxation, I was telling you. So deep quiet, meditation and stillness. 11 number, maybe you are seeing a lot of 11. Okay, so yeah, that's something I'm getting. Like, whenever you're feeling very disturbed, whenever you're feeling very stressed, quiet your mind, sit in stillness. So if you are someone who was not able to sit in stillness, if you are someone who is not able to meditate properly, what I see is like you will be able to do it. Okay, that's something I'm getting. You will be able to quiet your mind. So yeah, that's the positive change happening for you guys. You are able to quiet your mind. You are not stressing too much. Yeah, and yeah, when you need that quiet moment, you will be very quiet. So I feel like with this constructive criticism, you are the one who is criticizing yourself a lot. You criticize yourself, and I feel like that the change that is happening is you're going to yeah, there is an inner critic in you that criticizes you. That's why I got that. Yeah. So you're not criticizing other people, you're criticizing yourself. Okay. So yeah, that's the thing. I feel like what the positive change is coming is you're going to shut that inner critic in you. You're going to have that stillness. You are quieting your mind. If you have anxiety, you're able to balance it. Like I'm getting, for some of you, balancing things are balancing. Your mental health is becoming better and better. Yeah, that's the positive change. You're able to quiet your mind. You know, sometimes when we overthink, what happens? You know, I am an overthinker, but I have a balance now. Like, when I overthink, I shift my energy very easily. You know, before I used to overthink, I make up scenarios. I used to, you know, when we start overthinking, as an overthinker, I know how it happens, right? We just start, and then one thing leads to the another. Like, for example, if you're going for a checkup, we just make up a lot of scenarios. I used to do that, you know, I'm thinking, oh my god, this will happen, what if this happen, what if that happen, like making up assumptions, a lot of assuming, right? And it disturbs us, right? And I feel like you were also that kind of people. You had this inner critic, you used to think a lot, you used to overthink about everything, every small thing. If someone said something to you, you'll be like, why this person said that, why they are feeling like that, you have that, you used to think everything. What I feel like is now you're able to balance that. You're quieting your mind. Your inner critic is like, because I feel like you have this spiritual progress, you're focusing on your spirituality, that's why you're able to shut your inner critic down, and that's what is happening for you guys. Yeah. So if you are not able, if you are someone who are not able to meditate like for 10 minutes straight, I feel like you will be able to do it. That's something is changing. So definitely for some of you, I'm hearing Kundalini awakening. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. Okay, for some of you. I'm hearing the word sexual. I don't know why. Maybe for some of you, your sexual orientation, you're getting, yeah, sexual orientation, something regarding that. You're not questioning yourself anymore. You know who you are now, and you are accepting yourself. That's the thing, and that's why you're not going to stress. For some of you, it's because of your sexual orientation. You used to question yourself, why I am like this, I have to change for other people, I cannot be like this. Now the positive transfer changes that. You're quieting your mind, you're not stressing about it. Now you're accepting yourself. You're accepting the things as it is. You're accepting yourself. You're not allowing the inner critic to say bad things to you. You're shutting it down. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. Oh my God. So let's see. Yeah, we have freedom. You're freeing yourself, guys. You're freeing yourself. Wow. You're freeing yourself from your own assumptions about things. You're assuming the worst. You're freeing yourself from your own overthinking. That is the positive change happening for you guys. You're freeing yourself. Your perception about life is shifting. You're becoming more confident in yourself. You're feeling stable. We have the other card here, stability. Yes, you're feeling grounded. You're feeling stable. You're happy in your own body. Maybe you wanted to change your body in some way. You were not happy with your nose. You felt like, oh my God, I'm not beautiful enough. What is happening is you're accepting yourself the way you are, and you're feeling you're freeing yourself from all that things that is not good for you. Yeah, you're going to get you're becoming very peaceful. That's something I'm getting here. When we accept things, we become peaceful, and that's what you're doing. You're accepting, for some of you, you're accepting who you are. You're accepting your sexual orientation. You're accepting that this is me and this is what I'm going to be, right? You're not allowing other people come and play with your mental health. You're not going to allow that. You know, when we accept ourselves the way we are, no one can do anything to us, right? Will not get shattered when we accept ourselves, and that's what you're doing. I feel like you're freeing yourself from that societal things, rules that, you know, society has. We have to be like this, we have to dress like this, we have to do, yeah, there are certain rules that we have to follow, right? That's true. We cannot go out naked, right? That's something we have to follow. I'm not saying about that, but definitely there are certain rules that are imposed on us, and because of it we suffer. And I feel like you're freeing yourself from that. You're quieting your mind, you're accepting yourself. So definitely there is spiritual progress for you guys. It's like, I feel like you will be spending a lot of time in nature. You'll be spending a lot of time with yourself. Your wisdom is getting deeper and deeper and deeper. You're making a very strong connection with your guides, with your angels. I'm seeing that for you guys. Maybe for some of you, a spirit animal is eagle also. Like you're soaring above your troubles. You're finding triumph over your struggles. I'm getting that way. So yes, you're a spiritual warrior for some of you. And with this, look here, we have the swan. Yes, swan. Yes, swan. Okay. So with that, I'm getting like you're feeling very peaceful, and I'm even feeling like you're going to attract the people who can vibe with you. Yeah, attracting people who will make you stable, feel stable, who who will, like, if you are deciding that I want green hair, you're going to color your hair green, and the people you will be vibing with are the ones who will appreciate that. Like, they will not say, why you colored your hair green? No, they are not going to ask you that. They will be like, wow, it looks good on you. They will appreciate you, right? So yeah, you're going to meet people who are going to appreciate you more, instead of the people who always used to criticize you. So yeah, and maybe because of it, because of their criticism, you have this inner critic inside of you. Now you're changing, like you're changing, you're releasing that inner critic, you're letting go of that inner critic, and because of it, you're meeting the good people who will appreciate you for who you are. So there is definitely stability coming your way. We have the word freedom, like you're quieting your mind, you're finding freedom within yourself. You're not putting yourself in this mental cage or because of the society. No, you're not. You're accepting yourself. You're realizing who you are, and you're realizing that you are powerful, you're courageous, you're very strong, and you're accepting that, okay? And you're loving yourself the way you are, and you're seeing things from a different perspective. You're not blaming anyone, oh, why my parents did that, because you're understanding that their view is so limited. They are so much attached to the societal rules, and that's why they are acting this way. You're understanding that also, so you don't have any problem. You're just forgiving people also. I feel like you're freeing yourself. I feel this pile is going to feel so free. You're feeling stable from inside. That's something I'm getting, okay? So yeah, that's something I'm getting here, guys. You're feeling stable from inside. You're finding stability within yourself, okay? Even if the situation is stable, you will be stable inside, because you're becoming so strong. You're not accepting anything from others. You're only accepting from yourself, I'm getting here. Yeah. And definitely we have I'm getting like air energy and earth energy very strongly for you guys, like a lot of knowledge also I'm getting here. You are going to acquire a lot of knowledge. Your knowledge, your wisdom will take you to a different place. Yeah, the knowledge, the wisdom you're acquiring right now will be so beneficial for not only you but for others also. You're the leaders, okay? Oh my god, this is like, yeah, family here. You're finding your family. Maybe your family, maybe your family didn't give you the love. Now you're finding a family that will give you the love, okay? That's something I'm getting here. Sometimes family, I feel for this pile, maybe your family don't accept you the way you are. Now you're finding the people who accept you for who you are, and they appreciate you. That's something I'm getting here for you guys, okay? So for group number 2, what is the message? What positive changes are coming? Look at it. We have 3 cards over here that have turned, and I'm gonna take it. Look, yeah. Conflict and defeat. So you were with the people who used to say, do this, do that, you shouldn't wear this dress, you cannot do that. You were with these kind of people. They used to, I feel like this is someone who is crying and going like, our parents said something and we are feeling so sad, they are not accepting us, so we are feeling so shattered. You have felt like that, and because of it you might have trapped yourself. You didn't express yourself. You didn't say what you like. You didn't have an opinion. What I'm saying is like, that's ending. That cycle is ending because you have mastered something. You have mastered, I'm getting like you have mastered your thinking or something like that, thinking patterns, your thoughts, the thoughts that were not good for you. You're letting it go. You're mastering something. Yeah, I'm getting like yeah, I feel like you're mastering that you need to stand up for yourself. What I'm saying, I don't know, but yeah, mastering something. I don't know. I'm just so like, maybe, yeah, that's something I'm getting. Please forgive me for that, but definitely like you're mastering something. You're mastering that, yeah, that you are understanding that there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. And this is a person who has been feeling defeated, like someone said something, feeling defeated. Now you are someone who is not going to do that, right? You're not going to feel defeated because of other people thinking. You know, if someone says something, you're not going to be like that anymore. You know that who you are. Yeah, that's the thing. You're mastering, what is the word? You're mastering self-acceptance. You have accepted yourself, and that's why it doesn't bother you anymore if someone says something, even if it's your family. Even if it's your family members, in the past you used to get bothered, used to get shattered, but now it doesn't bother you at all. That's what you're becoming unbothered, like you're finding peace with, yeah, you're mastering peace and calmness within yourself. Okay, that's something I'm getting here, guys. And look, we have harmony. Yes, divine masculine, divine feminine. Your energies are balancing. You're accepting yourself for who you are, and that's why there is a lot of harmony and fulfillment of wishes. Look at the numbers 5 and 6. Leveling up, you're moving forward, you're finding the harmony after the chaos, after the conflicts, after the challenges. You're finding that harmony within yourself. You're accepting yourself. You're fulfilling your own wishes. That's something I'm getting. You are understanding that no one will fulfill your wishes, you're going to fulfill your own. So maybe your wish was to get that freedom, and that's what you're getting. And with this fulfillment of wishes is like emotional satisfaction. I feel like emotionally you're going to be very satisfied, because you're freeing yourself from those baggages, those criticism, and the people, you know, you don't care if people stare at you. You're not afraid to be standing out in the crowd. You're not afraid to wear that I'm getting like green shirt and yellow pant. You're not afraid to do that. Like something, if you want to do something, you're going to do it anyways. So that's something I'm getting here for you guys. You're mastering that. You're like, even if someone pokes you, you're going to be unbothered. You're not going to get angry. Oh my God, what are you guys doing? I feel like it's so amazing that you're not getting bothered by other people's opinions anymore, and you're finding peace within yourself, and that's something so beautiful. Not everyone can do that, right? And what are you guys doing? If there are tips, comment, because that will be so helpful. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Let's see. I'm feeling like you're making that shift already. You're understanding that other people's opinion is not something that you have to take. You're understanding that you are making that shift. I feel like that. And yeah, let's see group number 2. Yeah, family room. Wow, with this, you know, you're making your I'm getting with this family room. For some of you, it can be like there is togetherness. Your family is accepting you. That's something I'm getting for who you are. For others, with this family room, you are making your own family. Your friends are becoming your family. Your soul tribe. You know, you're meeting the people who you can vibe with, having party, having good time, drinking the tea, enjoying good time with them. The people who accept you. That's something I'm getting here. Yeah, with this poverty, you're not this kid anymore. You know, you were this kid where no one was taking care of you, like, yeah. But this is someone who's like, who doesn't have enough, like they are feeling lack, and you were like that. You felt like lack of love. People don't accept you. You used to find validation, but now you're not going to do that anymore. So this is ending for you guys. This is the end. You're finding peace. You're not looking, you're not asking help from others. I'm getting like that also. You're not asking help from others. You don't need that help from others. You're finding that peace within yourself. You don't want other people validation. Yeah, you're not in this lack mentality anymore. You're not here, you're not searching for the love maybe you used to you wanted that love from your parents or from your family, but they didn't give you. You used to seek and seek and seek, but they never give you. Now finally you're like, I don't want that anymore. I'm going to love myself, and because of it you're going to find the people who will love you for who you are. That's something I'm getting for some of you. Okay, but definitely with this poverty also, I feel like financially also you might have struggled, and we have the stability also, right? So maybe for some of you it's financial freedom that you're getting. Finally you're making money. Maybe you're self-employed, you're making money, passive income also, something I'm getting here. That's something I'm getting. Yeah, we have occupation also. So for some of you, you are going to do something that is like that is different. Maybe your family wanted you to do a 9-to-5 job, but you're not going to do that, and you're going to do something that you like, and you're going to make money out of it. Okay, so that's something I'm getting here. So yeah, let's see what else for group number 2. What positive changes are coming? Faith. Wow, definitely you're believing in yourself. That is the change you're making in your life. You're believing in yourself, and you're understanding that things take time. Yeah, if you plant a seed, it will take time. When a child is conceived, it takes time. We have to nurture it. We have to give the food. We have to take care of that child, even if it's inside us, right? We have to take care of our body, and that's when we need to nurture, we need to do the work, right? And I feel like that you are like that now. You have that faith. Yes, you believe in yourself now, and look at it. She is so calm. Look at her face. She's so peaceful. She's so calm. She's trusting the universe. She is happy. She knows that everything will be all right. She is accepting herself. She's accepting her own body. She is not afraid to be vulnerable, right? So that's something I'm getting. You're giving your wishes to the universe, and you know that universe is going to take care of you. You're believing in everything. Like you're believing in the higher forces I'm getting here. Yeah. You're not forcing yourself. You're not forcing other people to love you. You're not forcing others to accept you. You are accepting yourself, and you're not expecting anything from others. And that's why you are going to find, you really, for some of you, definitely I feel like you will find people who will love you and take care of you. So have faith. If you haven't found those kind of people, you will definitely find. Yeah. Self-love, definitely self-love is something I'm seeing. You're loving yourself. You're taking care of yourself. Care required. Yes, you need to care yourself, care for yourself. You need that. You're caring yourself, you're taking care of yourself, and that's what is changing. Maybe you used to not take care of yourself. You used to make that mistakes again and again because you used to care for other people instead of caring for yourself. You used to give money to other people even though they didn't appreciate you, and because of it you had to struggle. Now you're not going to do something like that, right? So guard yourself against deception and be careful on making foolish mistakes at this time. I'm getting like that. Yeah, you're making good decisions for yourself, good financial decisions. You're accepting yourself. You're not expecting from others, and that's the thing I'm getting here for you guys. And you're loving yourself the way you are. Communication. A reunion could bring love or a rekindling of friendship. A lucky win seems likely. With this family room also, maybe for some of you, definitely there is a chance someone is coming back, and you will have a very good time with them. Okay, that's something. Some communication is definitely coming your way. Okay, so that's something. That's a positive shift for you guys. Okay, so with this burnout also, don't burn out. Take care of yourself. So maybe you will, with this, we had this occupation at the back of the deck. Maybe you have some passion that you love. So you will be working too hard, and you will be not taking rest. So it's important you take rest also. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. So yeah, let's see what are the charms have to add to this. Oh my God. For group number 2, what the charms have to add. Yeah, you're coming out of your shell. Yes, you're coming out of your shelf. Self work, shadow work, self reflection, reflecting on the past, not making the same mistakes again, loving yourself, doing the mirror work. Okay, for some of you I'm seeing crying. Maybe you're good at it. Okay, yeah, you're opening your own your keys to wisdom. You're opening up your heart For some of you, we had this family room. Maybe for some of you, shifting to a new place. That's something. That's a positive shift. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. So for some of you, you are becoming mothers also, I'm getting here. Look, yes, your hard work is going to pay off. You're the queen of the abundance, right? With this honeybee, that's what I'm getting here. Look, we have the angels, definitely. Yeah, you're moving away from the people who used to criticize you, or maybe this is your inner critic that you're letting it go. And look, you know, you have 2 angel wings. Oh my god, so much of protection, guys. And you have a feather, angelic presence all around you. My god, you're so, we have fairies also. Oh my god, I have never received these 4 things at the same time. So yeah, so definitely definitely a lot of presence, a lot of protection for you guys. Yeah, you're coming out of your shell. You're not afraid to wear that blue hair or green hair anymore. Okay, wow, we have this you. Yeah, you're taking care of yourself. You're operating from the heart center. You're opening up your heart. You're receiving a lot of blessings. I feel like for many of you, you're forgiving others. You're forgiving your parents. You're forgiving everyone. Like, because you're understanding that they are also caged. They are also caged in this society, right? Something like that. I'm feeling like your knowledge is you're very wise people. Okay, yeah, you're repairing things. Maybe for some of you, new home, a positive shift there. Yeah, traveling, moving on to a new location. Yeah, you're going good. You're in the right path, guys. Group number 2, you're going good, you're doing good with this thing. You know, maybe for some of you, you are self-employed, so you're doing great. This will give you the abundance. Okay, that's the confirmation for group number 2. Whatever you're doing, if you're working on something, if you're starting a new business or something, like if you're planning to move to a new location, that is all good for you. It will give you the abundance. There is a lot of growth. Definitely keep on moving forward courageously. Don't give into this negativity. Yes, I'm sure you will not give into the negativity, negative people. And yes, you're regenerating as a person, a new person you're becoming. You're accepting yourself. You're not afraid to show who you are to other people. You're wearing the dresses you always wanted to wear. You're coloring your hair. You're accepting yourself. You're accepting yourself. You're accepting who you are, and that's the most beautiful thing. So let's see. We have me. Yeah, again me, you. Let's see, you are making yourself a priority now. In the past you didn't do it. Now you're making yourself a priority. You know, maybe you used to do for your parents, for your children. You know, it is not only about, like, yeah, sometimes we give ourselves to our children, our parents, and our wishes are all, we think that our wishes are not important. For you guys, I'm feeling like that. You felt your wishes are not important. It is yeah, you used to care for other people and you used to disregard your own wishes. Now what I'm seeing is that positive transformation is that you are now like, I want to also fulfill my wishes. Yeah, you want to fulfill your wishes and you're taking action towards it. It's like me. Yeah, I want to do this. I have taken care of my family. I have taken care of my children. Now it's my time. I want to do that, right? Mela. Then L, S and A. Okay. So that's all I have for group number 2. If you like my reading, like, share, subscribe. Okay. So that's it. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. So group number 3, if you have chosen this green butterfly, let's see what positive changes are coming your way. I'm hearing the word healing. A lot of healing is happening for you guys. Healing your heart, mind, your soul in some way. For some of you, if you're struggling with your health problems, that is also healing. Mental health, mental health healing. I'm seeing someone who is like getting out of a bed after a long time, like you were feeling very that's something I'm getting, like maybe finally going out, like after a long period of time, finally going out, finally feeling very refreshed, finally feeling very relaxed. That's something I'm getting here. Maybe you were taking a lot of rest. Maybe you had a surgery or something like that. Finally, you're able to go out. Yeah, finally going out. Maybe for some of you are even getting like, maybe you had a baby recently, you're healing, finally you are able to go out finally. Yeah, that's something I'm getting here for some of you. Maybe more you were feeling very tired, you had, you know, when we become a mother, it's too tiring, but you were yeah, it's too tiring. Maybe for some of you, yeah, you all you wanted was to go out of your house and feel that fresh air. That's what is happening for some of you. That's a specific message. Yeah, I'm getting that. And I feel like for some of you, you know, you are understanding that you are healers, you have that healing capability. For some of you, you are understanding your spiritual gifts, you are understanding that your prayers are very powerful. I feel like for some of you, understanding that your prayers are powerful, or maybe you are like making the change of blessing people. Like if you see some stranger outside, like you will look at them and you will bless them. Like you're making that shift. You're like feeling yeah, you want to make this world a better place in some way. I feel like that. So you want everyone to be happy, so you pray for other people also. That's something I'm getting here. Yeah, for some of you, praying for the world to be yeah, you're praying for the world. Maybe for some of you, you're doing something for the environment. You're doing maybe you work with NGOs or something like that. So definitely you are helping other people in some way. Maybe you are motivating people, you're guiding people. You know, as a mother also we can guide people. So maybe as a father, you're guiding your children, you're doing the good work. Okay, I feel like family healing for some of you. If there were issues in your family, that is going to be getting resolved. That's something I'm getting. Maybe you haven't forgiven someone, you will be able to forgive them. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. So definitely for some of you, maybe you are planning to start a spiritual business or something like that. It will give you a lot of happiness and good luck, I'm getting. So yeah, that's do that. Okay, maybe for some of you are into tarot, you are into law of attraction, you are into Reiki and all, just go for it. Okay, maybe you are into yoga or meditation, go for it. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. For some of you, it's just you are changing your food habits, your routines, like you're doing yoga, you're meditating, and I feel like there is a shift coming for you guys in terms of your health. Okay, health wise, you're healing, you're feeling stronger, you have the energy to go out. Maybe you didn't have the energy to do your work, finally you're feeling energetic. That's something I'm getting. Okay, but definitely I'm seeing a good luck for you guys. Maybe for some of you, you see butterflies a lot. It's like your loved ones are around you. Maybe you have a grandmother or a grandfather who is around you, is guiding you. So definitely there is someone like your ancestors are around you. For some of you, it's like your loved one. Maybe you have lost loved one recently, and finally you're healing that also. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm getting like you have lost a loved one recently, and because of it you were feeling you didn't have the energy to do anything. Finally you're healing that also. Finally you're going out, finally you're meeting people. So that's something also I'm getting here. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's also I'm getting here. So definitely that's there. And this person, I'm getting like a message, like they're saying hello, and they're saying that they're okay, they're fine, yeah. Oh, for some of you, you have recently lost your mother, I'm getting here. And maybe while she was alive, she didn't say I love you to you, but I feel like this is a message for some of you, very specific. She's saying I love you. Oh my God. And she's telling you to get out of the bed and enjoy life. Okay, yeah, this doesn't happen often, but I'm getting that energy here. Someone's presence is there. I feel like that they just want you to go out and have fun, and they want you to enjoy life. Okay, that's a very specific message. So let's see. Okay, so what is the message for my group number 3? Wow, look at that. I was talking about healing the disowned self. Yeah, root girl. You're healing your past, guys. You're healing your traumas. That's something I'm getting. That is the positive things. So for this pile, you have been doing a lot of shadow work, and I feel like you're healing your past, your traumas, the things that, you know, in our childhood also there might have happened something in your childhood that is bothering you now. Sometimes what happens in childhood bothers us in our adulthood, like traumas. It comes. So maybe in your childhood you saw your parents fighting, and because of it now you have problem in your relationship, because that is a trauma, you know. Sometimes that happens. I feel like that what is happening now, now that is healing for you guys. You're healing your childhood traumas, or maybe for some of you, you don't even remember your traumas, you know. Sometimes because that might be because it's in your childhood, but that is all popping out and you're releasing it. You're releasing all that traumas, all that past things, you know. When we are child, you know, children are so innocent, and it hurts. The children get hurt very easily, and maybe in your past people didn't encourage you. You felt left out, you felt unworthy, and now also for some of you, you feel that even though you accomplish something, you feel, oh, I didn't do that better, because in the past no one encouraged you. But what is happening for you guys, there was a part of you that you didn't you had disowned. Like there was something, there was some trauma, there was some you know, the trauma can be big, but it can be a small thing also, like your mother didn't acknowledge that thing you did, you know. It can be that also. I'm getting like a small thing, but what is happening is like you're healing everything. Small things you're healing, that childhood patterns. Maybe for some of you, you had certain childhood, yeah, something regarding childhood you're healing. Definitely, that's what, something you had disowned, like something you had that is, you don't even remember about it, but that is affecting you right now. That is what you're healing, and because of it there is going to be a major shift in your life. Yeah, maybe for some of you it can be about, you had seen your mother and father struggle with money, and because you have problem with money, so you're releasing that, and you are finally releasing all that trauma. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. You know, this is a little girl. She's crying and she's feeling like no one is there for her to help. Maybe you have felt helpless when you were a kid, right? You felt like no one loves you, and because of it you had struggled, and what I'm seeing is like that is what is healing for you guys. Yeah, you are healing that inner child. Yeah, inner child healing, that's what I'm getting. Like, yeah, you're, you know, because yeah, children are so innocent and they get hurt so easily. You might have got hurt. Yeah, people might have not seen you. Maybe your friends didn't like you, or maybe you were not a part of a group, and that, you know, it can be a small things that might have hurt you. Now maybe you don't even remember it now, but for some of you remember it. I'm feeling so emotional, guys, because look at this kid. She's feeling so lost, and you were like that. Now finally you're healing that part, this disowned part of yourself, and you're coming together. Oh wow, you're healing your inner child. For some of you, it's like you had a dream in your childhood and people told you that is never gonna happen, and because of it you felt like you will never be able to do it, but finally you're healing it now. For some of you, I see that the things that you have been dreaming in your childhood, you're going to make it happen. Oh God, you know, I feel like for some of you, you will be helping kids. You're understanding how kids can affect, you know, yeah, get affected by the environment, by other people, right? When we are born, we have so much of potential. It's the environment. Because of our environment, we feel like we are not worthy, and you're understanding how important our childhood is. And I feel like what you're going to do is to help children. For you guys, if you will become mothers, it will not matter how well they do in academics or anything. For you guys, their emotional well-being will be most important to you guys. And I feel for some of you, you will be accepting that you cannot have kids, you don't want kids, because for you guys, you see that kids' mental health is very important. And if you feel like that you cannot take care of that, you will be like I don't want to become a mother because I think I'm not capable of it. And there is nothing to be ashamed of that. I'm getting here. It's okay to feel like that, and it's okay if you don't want to have kids, and it's okay. I'm getting that energy for some of you. Because of the society, we feel pressure, right? For some of you feel pressured, and you don't want to have kids, and it's okay to not have kids. Because for you guys, you want to give that emotional support to kids, and maybe you feel like that you are not in the right position to give. Okay, so when you feel that you can give, then only do that, take that step. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, let's see what positive changes are coming for group number 3. Yeah, truth. Oh, you're seeing the truth, why this happened. You're seeing why your finances are not going good. What is the thing is stopping you from your success? What is that blockage you're seeing? It was because of your childhood, because you felt left out as a child, because you felt like no one will care for you, and that's why you're seeing the truth. You're seeing truth clearly, and I feel like that is what is shifting for you guys. When we see the truth, we understand what is the problem, and we can make the necessary changes, and you're doing that. Yeah, and with this Raven spirit, you're so connected to spirit. Okay, yeah, you're very, very connected. Look at the color, red color. I'm seeing the red color and orange. So yeah, that's the thing. Your base chakra and your sacral chakra. Maybe for some of you, you had to go through some yeah, sexual, I'm getting like that also, sexually assault or something like that. I'm so sorry for that, but that's all is coming in this reading. But I feel like you're understanding that you are not the problem. You are not it was not your fault. You're understanding that, and you're releasing that guilt, that shame you had. Yeah, it's about releasing that guilt, shame. You're understanding the truth, and you're forgiving yourself, you're forgiving other, and you are moving forward. That's what I'm getting here for you guys. And we have the number 5, and yeah, there had been a lot of challenges for you guys, and you're overcoming that. You're seeing this. you're seeing that, and now it's time for progress. You're moving forward. So there is a lot of healing happening for you guys. Okay, maybe in your relationship you had problems, maybe in your finances you had problem. You are healing that. Okay, that's what I'm getting here for you guys. And I don't know why my sound, I'm not able to. Yeah, okay. Your voice is very beautiful. That's a message for some of you. Your voice is very beautiful. Your voice needs to be heard. Your story needs to be heard. So because of shame, because of guilt, don't feel that you don't you shouldn't share your story. You need to share your story. Okay, that's something I'm hearing here. Yeah, sometimes because you feel I feel like the 8 of Swords energy is someone who is trapped. Like you are trapped. You are in this mental prison. Now you're freeing yourself. You're not trapped anymore. Okay, you're getting out of that thing. Okay, for some of you don't like to be photographed. I don't know why. Maybe because of your past or something. Maybe you felt like that you don't look good. Maybe you had problem. when people photograph you, but I feel like you're releasing that also. Okay, yeah. I feel like for some of you, you were that extroverted child, but something happened and that's why you became very introverted. You used to have fun, you used to like party, but something happened in your childhood, that's why you became shy, you became introverted, yeah, that's something I'm getting. And I feel like you're releasing that, and now your true self is coming out. You hid your true self somewhere. Now what is happening for you guys is your true self is coming out. Yeah, the person you are is coming out. Let's see what else. Yeah, new beginnings for you guys. With this love begins, new you. It's the new you. For some of you, it's like, I am even getting like this, you lost someone recently, and because of this loss, you're able to be yourself. Be yourself. That is also I'm getting for some of you. Look at the rainbows. You became someone else. Now you're becoming yourself, and that's the change. Oh my God, this reading. Yeah, you're becoming you. You're loving yourself. The disowned self was you. You didn't show who you are exactly to the world. Now you are showing your truth and who you are. You're actually showing your identity to the world. Wow. This is the new you. Taking care of yourself, loving yourself, filling your own cup. Yeah, you're healing yourself. Wow. Let's see what else. Yeah, despair. That's what you're healing here. You felt like nothing works for me. Nothing is this is the childhood. I feel like you felt no one is there for you. You felt in despair, and that's what is healing for you guys. No one will give you anything. No one will love you. I'm not worthy, and because of it, you had a different persona. You build a character that is not you, and now you're becoming the person who you are exactly. That's what I'm getting here. And this despair energy is moving away from your life. That's what I'm getting here. Yeah. Let's see. And I feel like you're making that decision. Yes, I need to make that change. I understand that why this happened, why I became like this. I was such a party girl. I used to go out. Maybe for some of it was like I got that. You used to go out with your friends and all, but then something happened. You stopped doing it. Maybe someone said something, and that's why you lost your confidence. And what I'm getting is like you're gaining your confidence back. You're healing yourself. Things are changing for you guys. This despair. Again, we have the number. Look at the number 32. Maybe for some of you, your age is 32. Okay. That might be relevant for some of you. 32 age, or 5 number is important. Maybe your life path number 5 also. Maybe your birth date is 5 or 5th month. That is May. Okay. But definitely 32. Yeah. Or maybe yeah, for some of you I'm getting that, because 32 came 2 times. So maybe you can look at that angel number 32. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, look, we have 3 cards over here. Yeah, you're taking your power back, guys. You had given that power to someone. Now you're taking your power back. You're becoming confident in yourself. Now no one can take your power from you, because you have healed yourself, right? And yeah, you're trusting spirit, you're trusting in yourself, you're understanding that you're very protected. You're understanding a lot from your childhood. You're understanding the truth. You're seeing things very, very clearly. Now you know what you need to do, who you are. Again, the number 32. Oh my God, look, 32, I told you, 32, look. Wow, oh my God. Yeah, your nest is safe now, your home is safe now. You're now in a safe place, okay? Yeah, fruition. Your hard work is going to pay off, guys. Now you will see your hard work paying off. Maybe in the past you felt like, oh my god, whatever I do, nothing is going paying off, because you know there was something that you needed to heal. Now I feel like you're healing that, you're letting go of that traumas, everything, and now there is fruition happening, abundance coming your way. Okay, that's something I'm getting here for you guys. Look for the number 32, or maybe your age is 32, I don't know, but definitely 32 number is very, very, very important for you guys. Okay, let's see. We will do the charms also, guys. So, oh wow, friendship. Okay, maybe for some of you attracting a good friend now. Okay, or maybe this friend will show you who you are really, and because of with this help of this friend, you are going to heal your past. That's something I'm getting. And the person who heals themselves will heal other people. So maybe for some of you, you have that healing quality, and you're going to heal yourself, and you're going to heal your mother, your sisters, your parents, whatever, I don't know, but yes, that is also something I'm getting. A good friendship is there for you guys, is awaiting you, and you will help this friend also, or maybe this friend will help you, but there is definitely good friendship coming your way. Okay, and one more card. Wow, travel, definitely will be traveling, or a lot of communication is also coming. Spiritual progress is also I'm getting, or maybe your work will travel all over the world. Maybe you will provide services all over the world. That is something I'm getting. So yeah, or maybe for some of you there is a partner, like a love relationship also coming your way. Yeah. So let's see. The first charm, like finally releasing all that thing and finally feeling happy in yourself, you know. Yeah, that's the thing, feeling happy from inside. That's the thing, not because you're buying something, not because of any materialistic thing. You're just feeling happy from inside because you're healing. Yeah, let's see what else the charms have to add to. I'm getting you will be achieving something. Definitely you're going to achieve something in your life. Okay, that's something I'm getting, achieving a lot of things. Yeah, I'm getting like, yes, Saturn, you have learned a lot of lessons. Life was a little bit hard for you guys, but I feel like now your hard work is going to pay off. Yeah, you're fixing things. You're healing definitely. As ancestral patterns for some of you, you're healing that. Look, we have love and corn. Lot of abundance is coming your way. Lot of good friendship, good people. Okay, lot of love. Fish, emotions. Yeah, healing your emotions. You're understanding what emotions are good for you, what is not good for you. Something like that. Yeah. Letting go of the past. Yeah, healing. You're healing. That's the thing. Yeah, don't give up. Books. Oh wow, with this books, what I'm getting is like a lot of learning is also coming your way. You will be learning a lot of healing informations you will be getting, and I'm getting occult knowledge also, maybe self-help books also. You will gain a lot of info from them, from that books. Okay, books are going to be a integral part of your life. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you have a book that you haven't read, and you know, maybe for some of you, you just scroll your YouTube, this book always comes, so maybe it's time to read that book. Okay, and yeah, you're leveling up, guys, you're leveling up. For some of you, you felt like, oh my god, maybe you wanted a very good shoe. Finally you will have the money to buy that sandal or something like that. It's like leveling up, you're growing, you're evolving, and yeah, I'm even getting like your finances are going to increase, guys. and you will be able to afford the things you thought you'll never be able to afford. That is also I'm getting here. Yeah, attachment. You're letting go of the attachment that you had to certain things. You're healing that. Yeah, you are letting go of the attachment and you're healing that. Okay, very intuitive pile. Spiritual growth. You're seeing through the deception. You're healing yourself. And I feel like you're seeing your own deception, how you're sabotaging yourself. You see that, right? Sometimes we do that, and that's what is healing for you guys, because that was the thing hindering you in your progress, and you're seeing that, and that's what that is the thing is you're unlocking. I feel like that. VCT R PAY. You're the ray of hope. You're going to see the ray of hope. You are the ray of hope. That's what I'm getting. VCTP O and V, and we have V and V. I'm getting victory for you guys. Yes, definitely you're going to be victorious. Yeah. And one thing I have to say that I'm getting the messages like, don't underestimate yourself, don't underestimate your work, because whatever small work you do, like whatever advice you give to someone, it changes other people's life. Okay, so don't underestimate yourself. Sometimes we underestimate ourselves. Don't do that. WGA. I'm like feeling like someone who is very like 50. I'm getting like a 50-year-old person who loves dancing, and you want to start dancing again. Go for it. Start dancing. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. Don't let the age come in between. For some of you, that's also I'm getting here. We have WGAZYORFB and U. Okay, so if you have any words, okay, can I get any word for you guys? Yoga, we have yoga. Yeah, maybe you want to start doing yoga. Start doing it. Maybe you have been feeling to do that. To start doing it. Yoga, yeah. Yeah. Some sweet, I'm getting burfi. You know, burfi is an Indian sweet, like, so I'm getting that also. Maybe some good news is coming, and you will be celebrating something, or maybe you will make some sweets. Okay, that's something I'm getting. Yeah, that's all I have for group number 3. Yeah, take care guys. If you liked my reading, please like, share, subscribe. Okay, I will see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.